Lito, did you see the creek? The water's flowing because of the rain last night.
I think I already know what you have in mind.
Paper boats!
Good idea! I have some paper left over from my brother's school project. Let me get it.
I think it's better for our playmates join us.
Oh yes! That would be more fun. We can call Mar, Bingoy, Ding, Arnel, Mac. Who else? Jun, Kiko, and Bong. That makes 10 of us.
That would be a great paper boat race.
Yes. Now why don't we divide this paper so that each one of us can make his own paper boat?
Okay, how long is this paper?
Let me measure it. It measures 80 and 5/10 inches long.
Divided by 10 so that we can have 10 sheets of paper.
Oh, I know how to do that. If you divide 80 and 5/10 by 10, just count how many zeros there are in our divisor. Which number is our divisor?
10?
That's right. And 10 has 1 zero. So, just move the decimal point in the dividend 1 decimal place to the left. And you get?
8 and 500ths. That's easy.
Okay, since I did the division, you do the cutting. Here's the scissors.
It's very easy to divide decimals when the divisor is 10, 100, or 1000. You just saw Lito and I divide 80 and 5/10 by 10. We move the decimal point one place to the left. Why one decimal place? Because there's 1 zero in 10. So if you divide 80 and 5/10 by 100, what do you get? That's right! You have 2 zeros in 100. So you move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Easy, isn't it?